Well, this is actually one of the best kiteboarding spots in the entire area, and we typically come here when we have a strong east breeze and an outgoing tide. Those are the perfect conditions for us, and right now the tide's supposed to turn in about another 10-15 minutes, and that's why we came out here. Well, I've been doing this sport for about 8, maybe 9 years. I learned out in Maui, which very difficult conditions. It's very windy out there, and to describe the sport, I guess I would have to say, well, I've got an enormous amount of passion for the sport. It's probably the most enjoyable thing I like to do outside of my family is go kiteboarding. When it's windy, and especially here in ponds with an outgoing tide and good conditions like there are today, hey, I gotta be here.